MSquad? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be showing you all how I got this bomb braid out using one product. Yes, you heard me right. I used one product. I used the Uniqurl leave-in detangling styler. So it's a 3-in-1 product to get this bomb braid out. And y'all, my hair feels so good. It smells really good as well. And honestly, this product is definitely 3-in-1. If you're looking for something to leave into your hair, use this styler. If you're looking for something to detangle your hair, use this product. If you're looking for something to style your hair, use this product. Boom, 3 things in 1. I definitely would recommend this for naturals that are on the go or naturals that need something to reach for. That will be a 1, 2, 3 type of thing, and this is it. But before I jump into the video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, as well as to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And if you cannot get enough of me, because I can't even get enough of me. If you can't get enough of me, I do have an Instagram. My name on Instagram is at Kinky Curly Mary, so make sure that you are following me on there so that we could connect on social media. And without any further ado, we're just gonna hop into the demo portion right now. I'm going to start off with this section in the back, and I'm not going to wet my hair because it's already wet. So now I am going to take this Uniqurl Aloe and Coconut Supreme Moisture Leave-In Detangling Styler. So this is a 3-in-1, which I am really excited to try. It is lay thick, okay? Like, it's thick, like mad thick. So it smells so good too. It smells like cake, like lemon cake or something. I don't know. But yeah, just gonna apply that to this section back here. Now I'm gonna go in with my brush with the best, Felicia Leatherwood brush, which is my favorite brush, by the way. Oh my gosh, this feels really good on my hair. Okay. Do I want to, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more, because this is gonna be a one product braid out. So I'm gonna smooth that into my hair. And then I'm going to brush, and it feels really good on my hair. So now I'm going to just do a plait on my hair, because this is a braid out. So I'm gonna take my time with it. And then as I get to the bottom, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the cream or leave-in, and then just coil the bottom of my hair, because this is a chunky braid, like so. I'm gonna continue with my head, doing chunky braids, because this is gonna be a chunky braid out. Okay, so I just finished styling my hair with the leave-in. So what I'm going to do is sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour and some change just to make sure that my hair is fully dry. But so far so good. Like, I really like the product. It smells amazing. I noticed throughout styling my hair that it works very well when your hair is soaking wet because it gives you that slip that you're looking for. This section right here, I didn't really wet it like that because it was damp, and I kind of wish I did when I first started styling my hair. But the rest of my hair, I went in and I made sure that I made sure that I wet each section to make sure that I got that slip and that definition that I want my hair to have. So I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer. And that is all for my video today. These are my final results, and y'all, I really love how my hair came out. I feel like my hair looks amazing. If you think my hair looks amazing, make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. I also love the fact that my hair smells like cake. It feels very soft. It's very defined as well. My hair has movement to it, so it's not weighed down. And honestly, I just really like this product. I didn't use any type of oil with it. I just used this product by itself. I only used a little bit of oil to unravel my hair, but you know, I didn't want any frizz in it like that. But I didn't seal with any oil, and I know my hair is going to stay moisturized throughout the week. So honestly, I am so happy that I won the giveaway that Uniqurl was having. I will leave the link to this leave-in detangling styler in my description box because I definitely think that you should try this out. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the comment section as well as subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so make sure you are subscribed, of course, as well as turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, MSquad, peace.